Hello class and welcome to week 8 of English 101. I'm sorry that this video is a bit late for this week. For this week in English 101 Online, we will be beginning the criminal justice module. For short, we call it the CRJS module. For this week, you have a Lumen activity on summarizing and paraphrasing information. That's actually due tonight by 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. What you will do is you'll go to the CRJS Learning Resource Week 1 module, choose one of the readings, and you will be focusing on that for your summary and your paraphrase. You'll be posting it on the discussion board. So for the discussion board, you'll choose one source or one chapter, one article from the assigned reading, summarize the author's message by paraphrasing or quoting when appropriate, of course. And you're going to use in-text citations for direct quotations. Please quote sparingly. Only quote something that's so special that you could not have said it any other way. And then, of course, you're going to include an MLA works cited entry for your source. Posted on the discussion board for Lumen summarizing and paraphrasing practice. For the remainder of the week, you will also have some readings to do. You will read the readings for the Lumen week 1, and then you will be posting on the discussion board the posting there as well. So it's the CRJS week 1 discussion post, and you're going to be doing a critical analysis of the following articles by Gran, Ridgely, Casella, and Stevenson. Of course, by now you know that when you do the initial post, the day after, you will respond to at least 2 other posts, and by answering the questions that are listed on the discussion board for the week 1 CRJS post. As a side note, I'm still working on grading your essays. I'll probably have them graded in the next couple of days. So continue working on the CRJS module, and I look forward to reading your essays. Thank you.